Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Hot 30 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app. Alright, and I hope that you can see this leveler and the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So they should disappear after resetting. In order to reset the settings, we have to enter the settings themselves in the left upper corner and then scroll down to the very bottom. Now let's tap on Restore Defaults and confirm it. And as you can see, we immediately got back to the camera. We cannot see the leveler, we cannot see the grid lines, which simply means that our device successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.